President Yoweri Museveni erizoba yasiba omuchanga ekya Teso ahaliyo naronda obushagiki omu district ya Kaberamaido ahamwe na Karaki kandi omukoro ogu gwakorerwa aha kishayi ekya Kabule Poly Primary School eri kushangwa omu district ya Kaberamaido. Komulingo gumwe ogwokutereza ebyentambura omuchanga ekya Teso uri mukuru w'empanura z'ishengyero lihanga Right Honorable Anita Anet Among yagira ngu ekyanga ekya Teso n'obukiina Obusingye na munonga omuri Kaberamaido Obwaresirwe NRM yagira ngu bakine ekizibu ekyenguuto mbi ahamwe na n'okufeerwa ekiryeri ekyabire nikiyambaho aha kutwara ababuyende Karwara ahamwe na Kaberamaido. Among yagira ngu eshonga endiijo nayo kureba ngu bashashura abo boona abafeerirwa amatungo gabo omuntaro ezabe niziteganisa ekicweka ekyo. Ogu yayongera yagira ngu n'obuharabe ngu hariho ebizibu by'enguuto ngu konka ekyanga ekya Teso kiriyo nikitungukira aha speed y'amaani.
Unlike before when we had a cattle rustlers, we had rebels, we had all of them. But now we have total peace. The area is developed. We have wealth creation. We have factories here that are creating jobs. There is private sector here. One thing I can assure the country that Teso has transformed a lot.
Ori chairman w'ekibiina ekya NRM aha Kaberamaido yayijusya mukuru w'ihanga bimwe aha bintu ebiyabiraraganise okubakorera.
On Your Excellency, we pray that your government will prioritize construction of the seed schools in all the new sub-counties in the district of Kaberamaido, e.g. Okile sub-county and Ochero sub-county. Health services.
Ori Minister w'ebyobwegyese kandi ori First Lady Janet Kataha Museveni owabashendekize President Museveni okubasa kumusherurizaho obuhagizi nawe yayongera yashaba abantu omuchanga ekya Teso okweyongera kwagira President Museveni ahawe ntunguka eriyo muchanga ahamwe na nokweyongerayo. Aha niho mukuru w'ihanga yashoborora ashonga ezitari zimwe na zimwe ahabwenki abanya-Uganda bine kumuronda narishi kumuterera nka mukuru w'ihanga.
Road used to end at Soroti. We repaired all the road from Tororo up to Soroti, but we extended it to Dokolo, to Lira, to Kamdin. So that one is bringing the tarmac road nearer to you people. But now we are going to bring the tarmac from Katine to Ochero here, up to here. It is 73.5 kilometers. We already have the money. The government is now looking for the contractor to do the work.
General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yaraganisa abantu okureba ngu naija kubombekera abatereho enkuto z'omutindo otiriho na no kubatera hekiryeri ekirabayambeho aha byentambura omucweka eki kugira ngo abase kubaho enkwatanisa hihi eyabuyende Kagwere ahamwe na Kaberamaido eri kusharira aha nyanja ya Choga.
Heard about the BKK.
Iwinyu nukome BKK ferry.
Buyende Kagwara Kaberamaido. The ferry is already available. The construction is taking place. I think they are finishing the running sites. Now, all this is on the side of economic infrastructure.
Izoba herianye kare President Yoweri Museveni naza kuronda obuhagizi omu district ya Katakwi ahamwe na Amuria nazo eziri omuri Teso. Makra gagasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano ahabwa Tayari West.